This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can print specific pages from a workbook in Google Sheets. Here I have a Google Sheets workbook with 5 different sheets, and let's suppose I want to print this, but I don't want to print all of the pages. For simplicity's sake, I just put the same table in different sheets and made them different colors. So in order to do that, you need to go to File, and then click Print, or you can select Print from the menu, and this screen will appear. From there, below Print, select Workbook. Then I want each sheet to be on one page, so I'm going to scale this to fit on one page. So each sheet in this workbook is going to be on one page, and then if I want to print specific sheets, then I need to click Selection. And here I can select and deselect the sheets that I want to print or the sheets I don't want to print. So let's suppose I only want to print sheets 2 and 4. I will deselect 1, 3, and 5 and then select Apply. Once you do that, you will get a preview of what's going to print. Then you click on Next, which will open up the dialog box for your printer, and from there you can print your document or even save that as a PDF or however you wish to use it. So this video shows you how to print specific sheets in a Google Sheets workbook. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.